research and application of gesture estimation method based on computer vision. Wu Chen, City University, Malaysia. A master project paper to meet the practical requirements for the degree of Master of Information Technologies, City University, Malaysia, April 2022. Copyright. All materials and information contained within these documents are protected by City University Malaysia cop- copyright law and may not be reproduced, transmitted, displayed, published, distributed, or broadcasted. You are strictly may not remove or alter any copyright or other copies of this content. I, Wu Chen, hereby the project work entitled Research and Application of Gesture Estimation Method Based on Computer Vision, submitted to the City University Malaysia, is a proof of research work done by myself with the guidance of Dr. S. E. Goyer, Director, Faculty of Information Technology, City University, Malaysia. This project work is submitted in the fulfillment of the requirements for the award of the degree of Master of Information Technology. I would like to declare that to best of my knowledge that result embodied in the issue have not been submitted before to any other university or college of technology for the award of any degree or diploma. April 5th, 5th, 2022. Approval for submission. I stated that the project report ignited research and application of gesture estimation method based on computer vision prepared by Wu Chen has met the standards required for submission as part of the requirements for the award of Master of Information Technology at the City University, Malaysia. Acknowledgement. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my advisor, Dr. S. B. Goyer, for the con- continuous support of my Intel project completion. The typical which I chosen for my project is well designed, my knowledge and my development skill in research area. I came across so many obstacles to go through this entire process, and I thankful to those assisting me. Second, I would to thank my fellow mates who assisted me a lot in completing completing this project within the timeline. I'm selecting this project not only for to pass but to build my knowledge and skills on the topic to enhance the technical skills together with deep sense of gratitude. I sincerely acknowledge the encouragement guidance received by Dr. S. E. Goya, Director, Faculty of Information Technology, City University, Malaysia. Finally, I would like to thank each one who assisted me directly and indirectly to complete this issue. Wu Chen. Abstracted. At present, the problem of aging can't be ignored. There are more and more elderly people living alone. Due to their poor physical fitness, they are very easy to fall in daily life and bring great harm to the body and the mind of the elderly. Therefore, they are in great need of means to monitor the daily life and the elderly in real time and make judgments on for events driven by the rapid development of the computer vision technology. Human pulse estimation has been widely used in fields such as motion recognition, motion posture scoring, and assisted rehabilitation. Therefore, this paper will study the computer vision pose estimation result and applied to fall detection. The use of pose estimation for fall detection requires the extraction of human joint point information and bound information. In order to extract human joint points, coordinates, and bone images from video sequences, this paper has done a lot of research on computer vision pose estimation. First, the background Such missing is studied. After that, the occurrence pose estimation algorithm is studied. Then studied the attitude estimation of the DK depends camera, focusing on its TOF principle and body tracking principle. After comparison, it is found that traditional posture estimation such as Optipose is based on optical RGB images. Optical images will have different results under the influence of light, and they can't be used at night. This paper mainly used Asia Kinect DK pass camera for all detection. In the fall detection method, this paper uses the threshold method combined with the pattern rec- rec- recognition method to detect force. The threshold method uses the head descent speed and the body inclination agent. The upper body inclination agent is used to solve the mistake of bending and squatting. The pattern recognition method converts fall detection into two classification problems of fall and no fall, and uses the spot vector machine two classification method combined with the histogram of arranged gradient to classify the bone image extraction features. The final experimental data shows that this paper uses either Kinect DK depends camera to achieve fall detection based on human pulse estimation, which has a high accuracy and practicability. Keywords: computer vision, pulse estimation, fall detection, their Kinect DK open pulse. Table of contents: list of figures, list of tables, list of abbreviations. Chapter 1: Introduction. Background. Figure 1.1: Human pulse estimation renders. Figure 1.2: Projected elderly population in China. Provenance in computer vision for detection. Research content and innovation. Paper structure. Chapter 2. Research on moving target detection algorithm. In the process of realizing false estimation by computer vision, the most basic problem is how to detect the human body, that is, the detection of moving target. Optical flow method. Two, background subtraction. Summary, summary of this chapter. Chapter 3. Research on computer vision attitude estimation algorithms. In the past, this method of computer vision for detection generally used the method in the second chapter, chapter to obtain the moving human body package from the video segment image, and then after image processing, a, a binary human body shape map was obtained. Those aspect ratio of the shape, the following detection was carried out. On the other hand, the information of each limb of the human body couldn't be recognized, which was severely affected by the ambient light. On the other hand, the detection parameters were single. It can't be judged from multiple edges. Vocal dataset annotation. over overall process. Network structure. Node confidence. Path connection stratical. Coordinate system. Summary of this chapter. Chapter 4. For detection based on aerial kinetic decay pulse estimation. Through the experimental comparison, it can be found that OpenPulse requires high machine configuration for human posture estimation and requires better machine configuration to run OpenPulse, while Azure-KNet DK requires a low machine configuration that OpenPOS due to its all-processing chip. The main reason is that OpenPOS uses an optical RGB camera to capture color imaging for pulse estimation, which don't work properly at night, and considering that full detection requires all-weather operation. This paper uses Azure Kinect DK for simulation experiments on fall detection. 4.1 Analyze of the cause of fall. 4.2 Analyze of the fall process. 4.3 Analyze of fall detection methods. Figure 4.3 Body tetrahedral diagram. 5. Summary of this chapter. Chapter 5. Summary and prospect. 1. Summary. In this paper, an extensive study on computer vision human pose estimation and fraud detection has been conducted, and the main work is divided into two parts. In this paper, after studying and improvement and pose estimation, the actuated joint coordinates are used to study the fall detection, and finally, the Azure Connect DK DPass camera is used to implement the pose estimation and the fall detection using the joint coordinates and image information. 2. Prospect. Although this paper draws on the practical experience of previous authors to come up with some innovative points to achieve posture estimation and fall detection. There are still many areas for improvement in this paper. Publications from Master Project Wu Cheng by Dr. S. E. Goyer. Research and application of gesture estimation method based on computer vision. Reference. My project report is over. Thanks.